Hi everyone. So I have received the giveaway watch from Tawakkal Watches. So it's part of their contest, giveaway contest. So let us unbox and see what we have inside. I'm going to cut it now. It's a SR Ambedkar version of an HMT Janata. Sorry, not a pilot. It's an HMT Janata with Ambedkar's picture and his sign, autograph. And below is okay, looks pretty new. There is some dents, but here you can see the HMT package. It's a decent watch for the giveaway. All right. Thank you, Tawakkal Watches, for this watch, and I'll be posting a wrist shot after this.